If you are 50, 60, 70, or 80, now, right now, this moment is the time to get started with the remote income. Hey, I'm Jerome in Boise, Idaho. I am a business coach. I focus on helping people over 50 all the way to 80 create a remote income using what you already know. So let's talk about that. Why is now the best time ever? Well, a couple reasons. One is what's going on in the world. As you know, it's wild and crazy. The politics are crazy. A lot of uncertainty in the world. And if you're looking for more income, it is just waiting for you. So down below, I have a little link to my school. You can check it out, SKOOL. I've got a very special offer for you, which is if you come and join us and you don't make money your first 90 days, I'll give you all your money back. That's how serious I am about this. I'm 72. How about that? I'm 72. I've had a have had many years of small business growth and experience. I built 3 separate companies in the coffee world with some great partners over the years. They're all sold now. And I'm telling you, smaller is better. A one-person business is the way to go. It really is. Why? Because all the tools you need are there. All the low-cost or no-cost tools that you'll find out about in my program are there. They're just waiting for you. So what I want you to do is take what you know and create income with it. How do we do that? Well, you have skills, you have hobbies, you have passions, you have interests that other people want to know more about. And when you help people go from A to B a little faster than they can do themselves, they will pay you for that. And they'll pay you monthly for that. That's why you should have a program like school or something similar for yourself, so that you have a way to share what you know, share what you've done, share how you can help people, and create that income on a monthly basis. That's what I'm talking about. But let's go back to that theme of why now? Why I don't want you to wait. Because time is precious. I'm 72. Yes, you heard that already. And I know how to help you. And by working together, we're going to create some income for you. And it's going to be a huge amount of fun. I mean, why do all this and not have fun? Why do all this and not make money? No, we want you to make money. Yes, we want you to make money. I want you to make money on a monthly basis as well. By the way, I am on our little farm, our little off-the-grid 15-acre farm outside of Boise, and it's just a great place to take a walk and tell you about what's going on to help you create the kind of income you want. And I have so many people in my group already who are looking for help along the way, just like you. It's like, how do I get started? Well, we use 3 things. Number 1, we use a platform like school to hold your program, hold your course, hold your workshops, whatever it is you want to share with the world. That's number 1. And then number 2, I show you the basics of how to use YouTube for marketing. It's free, easy to do, just like you're seeing it right here. Number 2, I teach you how to use AI. It's simple, as a virtual assistant for you. And then lastly, I teach you how to put it all together. So YouTube, AI, and school, those 3 things. Bring it all together and have a place for you to share with the world what you already know and create income. We know right now it's crazy out there. We know right now you need more income. We know that you need more certainty in the world. And that's why now is the best time. ever. And let me tell you that we don't have to make a huge program. We just need to share one little thing with one person in a focused way with a specific outcome. And it's taken me a long, long time to realize that. You know why? I have a PhD. I have a PhD in shiny objects, in shiny object syndrome. And it's taken me a long time to learn to focus. But focus is discipline, and it makes life so much easier when you focus on one result that you can help somebody with. That's what I want you to take away of everything here we're talking about today. If you can focus on one result, it might be helping somebody's kids and grandkids become a better writer. It might be teaching music. It might be how to collect railroad model cars. It's everything. It's everything. With 7 billion people on the earth, and most of them on YouTube, well, guess what? You're gonna find the people that want to learn what you have to share. That is the fantastic part, and I'll help you with that process. I had to stop and put my sunglasses on because I have real sensitive eyes. I'm just a new age sensitive guy. And I've got the dogs out here. I've got our hound dog. There's Marshall. Marshall, say hi. And he's a rescue dog. We got 3 rescue dogs. So where were we? Oh yeah, the process. The process. This is a step-by-step process. In my school, I have 12 simple modules that can be done real fast, or they can be done once a week. And I help you focus and narrow down what it is you want to share with the world. And what if you say to me, Jerome, I don't know what I can do. I don't know what I can share with the world. Well, I can help you with that too, because I have a special little program inside of school to help you figure out through all of your interests, all of the work you've done, all the ups and downs in your life, what to take and what to share with other people. And here's a really, really important part for all of us. I want to make sure whatever you choose, you can also make money with. So I also have a course validator in my school to help validate, to help figure out, can you make money with that particular interest? And for most interests, you sure can. But we want to double check. So the theme of this, as we started out, is don't wait. If you're over 50, you've got more days behind you than you do in front of you. And you can start small. You can start with little tiny steps. You can build your confidence. You've got me as a guide, as a coach, as a mentor. I'm just a few steps ahead of you. But I know how to do this, and I'm helping people right and left. You'll see when you go to my About page at school, you'll see a couple testimonials from Kelly, from Jim, from others about the fact that I can help you. And it's very, very inexpensive, and you need to do something. Wouldn't it be a shame to leave this world and not share what you know? You've got so much inside of you. When you're over 50 or 60 or 70, you've got so much to share with the rest of the world. And wouldn't it be a shame to go on to whatever's next and not have shared that, not have helped others, and not have created more income for yourself, your family, your kids, your grandkids in that process? Because when you help somebody get from A to B a little faster, it has a lot of value. And they're very, very willing to pay you for that because you put it together for structure. People don't want more information, you see. That's the key thing here. They want help. They want transformation. They want accountability. And they want to know how to put it all together. And there's so much that you know that you're not tapping into. And this is the time to do it now. So down below, check out my school, join us. There's 7 days free. You can check it all out. And like I said, if you don't make money in your first 90 days with my system, then I'll give you your money back. You cannot lose here. And so I appreciate you being here. Take care of yourself, take care of people around you. When we all do that, guess what? We can take care of the whole world in our own little way. I'll see you on the inside.